What's up, TikTokers? Do any of you make custom tumblers like these right here or this right here? Pretty awesome, isn't it? I'm tired of watching you waste money buying these things. I'm going to show you how to make your own right here, right now. So the supplies we're going to need, I got them all at Lowe's. I have two 11-inch pool noodles and a 1/2-inch PVC pipe that I cut into two 12-inch pieces and four 3-inch pieces. I have two 1/2-inch elbows and then two 1/2-inch side outlet elbows and then two 7/8 of an inch of the rubber chair tips. Now, once you have all your pieces cut, it's super simple to put it together. It takes about a minute. You can follow along with me right here. But all supplies involved right here, I have about $6 in material costs, which is pretty awesome. Once we get it put together, we can drop our tumblers in, make it easy to customize them. All right, make sure to follow, make sure to like if this helped you to make your own tumbler holder. And if you want to win this one right here, tag a friend in the comments, share it with someone you know, and I will pick a winner next week. Let's go.